Experience the Jensen difference. Integrity you can trust, results you can count on every time. The usual refining experience goes something like this. You pack up your lab scrap, send it to a refiner whose rates you consider reasonable, hope that you'll get a fair settlement, and wait for your check. In the meantime, you worry that you won't get a fair return. After all, how do you know? At Jensen, we've raised the bar on the refining process and its documentation, so you'll know your scrap is being carefully processed and assayed every step of the way, and that the end result, your settlement amount, is fair and accurate. Video login is the first step in an extensive process of checks and balances that ensure the traceability of your scrap lot. While recording, each lot is weighed, verified, and physically described by our Jensen auditors. This information is repeatedly verified throughout the refining process, virtually eliminating the kinds of costly errors that can greatly reduce your final settlement. Some may consider our diligence excessive. We consider it an indispensable assurance of a great settlement. 3 high-definition video cameras record the contents of each package received. Those cameras, focused on the scale and inspection station, along with taped audio dialogue from the inspector, record information regarding the package's description, contents, and weights. The information is then archived on our computer servers. Jensen scales record to the 0.00001 tolerance and are regularly calibrated to ensure accurate measurement of your valuable precious metal refining material. Chemicals used to separate metallic from non-metallic scrap during the refining process create a glassy byproduct called flux. Because valuable precious metal can be trapped within this glass if melting conditions are not ideal, Jensen's auditors inspect each lot's flux to determine if additional processing is required to maximize your return. Induction melting uses electricity to mechanically stir the metallic contents of the scrap lot. The liquid metals are homogeneously blended in preparation for pin tube sampling. Jensen samples all scrap using the vacuum pin tube method. Done by drawing metal into small glass vacuum tubes, this process provides a representative sample of the entire lot. Other methods, such as drilling, sample from 1 or 2 spots on non-uniform solidified metal, thus running the risk of inaccurate results. Wet chemistry involves the use of various chemicals to isolate and measure specific concentrations of precious metals. Years of experience has allowed Jensen chemists to provide accurate, dependable readings. Although more time-consuming, no method is more trusted than the fire assay for determining the amount of gold in a scrap lot. Fire assay is the standard for accuracy by which all other assay methods are judged, and its accuracy is dependent only on the weight measurements of the sample. Other methods, such as ICP, require dissolution and dilution of the sample, as well as accurate reference standards. The additional variables involved with ICP assays introduce potential for error, which can ultimately affect the valuation of the lot. When valuing your scrap, we focus on the final settlement amount, not simply on a stated, and often misleadingly low, refining state. With wildly fluctuating metal prices, this approach can mean a difference of hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in your favor. Rest assured, if there's a payable metal in your scrap lot, we'll find it and pay you fairly for it. Jensen Refining has invested in state-of-the-art air and water pollution controls on a scale that is not easily matched by other dental scrap refiners. Additionally, no refining byproducts are landfilled by Jensen, so these are advantages that translate into assurance and peace of mind. We are proud to employ acid scrubbing technology that effectively neutralizes waste and protects the atmosphere. By controlling waste, we also control costs, which ultimately translates into a benefit for our customers. This air filtration system stands 2 stories high. It has been professionally engineered to maximize efficiency and underscores Jensen's commitment to regulatory compliance and the environment. Jensen has been educating lab technicians and dentists to look at refining differently, and our insights have been getting rave reviews and generating better, more predictable returns for our customers. As a company with extensive experience in dentistry, not just refining, Jensen can help you get the most out of your scrap generation with techniques, services, and education driven by our unique vantage point in the industry. Jensen understands that constant communication and clearly explained settlement reports make refining a stress-free experience. Our clients are contacted personally 3 times throughout the process and are provided with a highly detailed computerized description sheet at the time of settlement. For this reason, Jensen proudly provides honest results beyond expectations. We make it easier for you as technicians and dentists to send in your scrap and receive your settlement in a variety of ways. Remember, your Jensen sales consultant is here to answer your questions and keep you informed of your material's progress. Call us at 800-243-2000 or visit our website to schedule a free pickup today.